Oh!
I mean, it's no big deal. I'm pretty good at this.
I know, after you're like...
Oh! Holy shit yourself, old man.
Can we get going?
Holy shit, you're
I'm so sick and tired of these motherfuckers trying to tell me what to do.
Hold on, I'm coming up there.
You sure?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, the bike's hot! Oh. Ta-da!
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, what the f. This dude wants to fight? Oh! You're dead! Well, guys, welcome. King of Soup and Spizza are doing some bike stunting. And we're really good at it, as you can tell. So, if you guys enjoy this, let us know what you think down in the comments, and give it a subscribe. Do it! Click that button. It's right, see up there? So, it's over there.
It's down. It's down a little bit.
Is it down? I don't know. It's red and it says subscribe.
Down to your right a little bit.
Well, my camera's different than your camera.
Oh.
It's down here.
We just look over and see the other.
I don't know how to do this without sucking.
You can't turn while you're wheeling, pretty much.
I'm dead. Leave me back here.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, right into the canal.
Alright, now remember, you want to hang up.
Well, I can't hear you over the sweet backflip.
Oh, dude, that was so good. I
Yeah,
just got hit by a frame. I was so mesmerized, I think I hit by a fucking frame.
Come here, train. Come here, train. Oh, that would have been so awesome! Damn it. You weren't even watching. Man. So disappointing.
Oh, yeah, watch this.
Oh, I should have tank slapped her on my balls and died.
A tank slapper.
Come pick me up.
Here I am.
Perfect.
What? What?
Okay, let's be fair. I shot one bullet.
Let's be fair. And now you're.
Fucking bullshit.
Oh shit. That was.
Oh, my personal vehicle has been destroyed.
I wonder.
I definitely clipped it, threw me into traffic. Oh, and apparently I have. Oh. Apparently I have a or had a parachute. Well, I got one thing up there. Yeah.
Yep.
I made it! No! Yeah, we're getting better at that. Whoa! No! Oh, you just ran over my head.
I was about to say, I like hitting you right now.
Oh! Shit! I was so dead. No!
Oh!
What was that? That was some stanky leg shit right there. Oh! I mean, he obviously doesn't need a helmet. You're the one that keeps fucking dying. Alright. Get on the bike and not move. Maybe you'll put a fucking helmet on. Nope. No helmet. Please don't turn left. Please don't turn left. Please don't turn left.
Oh.
God, I'm so good.
Damn it. Oh!
What did you do?
My body!
You're so terrible.
I got like something this year's guy's bad.
My guy still refuses to put a damn helmet on. You gonna do it this time?
Try.
What are you doing, man?
I don't know, you're just really good.
Way better than this. Way better than you at this.
Yeah, I kind of knew what you meant.
Me talking pretty.
Me talking.
Come on, we gotta go. I got a warning. I got a thing. Hey, my bike's on fire. Oh, come on, really? It's like one of those mini bikes now. Damn it!
Oh.
Shit. Hey, way to go.
No, I face planted into this air duct.
Way to go.
You landed it? Yeah.
Yeah. It's almost like this is the first time I landed it. Except it's like the 12th time.
Oh, okay. What the?
Come on, dude! So good.
What? You
Apparently you must have eaten shit and like your head went over the handrail and I ran it over.
Yeah, you definitely hit my face.
Oh, what the fuck? How does that happen?
Can you teach me how to be good?
You gotta be one with your vehicle.
You gotta be.
You gotta be one with your back. Yes! No! No! We both made it! Oh, Spencer! No! Damn it!
Your suit died.
Alright, you coming? Where
Yeah,
you at?
really?
There's your dot. Alright. Oh. You did really good. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to watch some more videos, check out the links on the right.